What if I told you there are plants you can grow in your garden that not only feed your family but also heal the planet? Sounds too good to be true, right? Imagine this. Every time you harvest a vegetable or a leafy green, you're not just putting food on your plate, you're reducing your carbon footprint, improving soil health, and maybe even saving a few dollars at the grocery store. But here's the real kicker. Do you know which plants make the biggest impact? Some plants require tons of water and care, while others thrive with little effort and actually make your garden healthier. And what about taste? Are there edible plants that are eco-friendly and delicious? If you're curious about what these superstar plants are and how they can transform your garden, stick around. The answer might surprise you, and it could completely change the way you think about gardening. Let's explore these edible plants. First, we have tomatoes. They are one of the most rewarding plants for eco-friendly gardening. Why? They're incredibly versatile, suitable for everything from sauces to fresh salads. But beyond their culinary appeal, tomatoes are a powerhouse for reducing your environmental impact. Store-bought tomatoes often travel hundreds of miles before reaching your plate, leaving a hefty carbon footprint. By growing your own, you skip the transportation emissions and packaging waste. Tomatoes also offer health benefits. They're rich in vitamins A and C and packed with antioxidants like lycopene, which supports heart health and reduces the risk of certain cancers. For eco-conscious gardeners, heirloom varieties like Cherokee Purple or Sun Gold are a must. These varieties promote biodiversity and resist disease naturally, meaning fewer chemicals are needed. Worried about space? Don't be. Tomatoes thrive in small gardens, containers, or vertical setups like trellises. They also grow well alongside other plants such as basil, which deters pests naturally. Just make sure to give them plenty of sunlight and water at the base to avoid leaf diseases. With a little care, you'll not only enjoy delicious fresh tomatoes but also contribute to a greener planet, one juicy bite at a time. Next, we have lettuce. This plant is one of the easiest and fastest growing crops you can add to your eco-friendly garden. Whether you prefer the crunch of romaine, the buttery texture of Bibb lettuce, or the variety of mixed greens, lettuce offers a delicious low-maintenance option that's perfect for beginners. What makes lettuce eco-friendly? For starters, it grows quickly and doesn't need a lot of water compared to other crops. This makes it a smart choice for conserving resources. It also thrives in small spaces, including raised beds and even containers on a balcony. Growing lettuce at home means you can skip the plastic packaging and transportation emissions that come with store-bought options. Another benefit is that you can harvest lettuce multiple times. By cutting the leaves just above the base, you encourage regrowth, providing fresh greens throughout the season. Plus, lettuce plants help suppress weeds, reducing the need for herbicides. Health-wise, lettuce is packed with vitamins A and K, as well as fiber, making it a nutritious addition to your meals. To top it off, growing your own lettuce means fewer pesticides and fresher taste. An eco-friendly win that's good for both you and the environment. If you're looking for a plant that gives more than it takes, zucchini is your answer. This prolific crop is a favorite among eco-conscious gardeners for its high yield and low maintenance. A single zucchini plant can produce enough to feed a family, making it an efficient choice for reducing food waste. Zucchini grows quickly, providing natural ground cover that suppresses weeds and retains soil moisture. This means you'll use less water overall, an important consideration in sustainable gardening. Its large, vibrant leaves also attract beneficial insects like bees, which help pollinate your entire garden. What can you do with all that zucchini? The possibilities are endless. From grilled zucchini slices to zucchini bread, this versatile vegetable shines in countless dishes. And if you can't eat it all fresh, it freezes well for later use. Nutritionally, zucchini is a powerhouse. It's low in calories but rich in vitamin C and B6, as well as potassium and fiber. For gardeners of all levels, zucchini is forgiving and easy to grow, even in less than perfect soil. Add it to your eco-friendly garden and you'll enjoy a bounty of benefits while making a positive impact on the environment. Then, we have kale. This plant isn't just a trendy superfood, it's a champion for eco-friendly gardening. This nutrient-packed leafy green is incredibly versatile, thriving in a wide range of conditions, from frost to mild heat. Its durability makes it perfect for extending your growing season, so you can harvest fresh produce even in cooler months. Why is kale eco-friendly? For one, it's a low-maintenance crop that doesn't require heavy fertilization or pest control. In fact, its deep root system naturally aerates the soil, improving its quality for future planting. Kale is also a great companion plant, providing shade for smaller, more delicate crops. Nutritionally, kale is hard to beat. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. These nutrients support everything from strong bones to a healthy immune system. Plus, homegrown kale tastes fresher and sweeter than store-bought varieties, especially after a light frost. As for uses, kale is incredibly versatile. You can toss it in salads, blend it into smoothies, or bake it into crispy chips. Growing kale not only adds variety to your meals but also helps create a more sustainable and resilient garden ecosystem. Now let's talk about carrots. They are more than just a crunchy snack, they're an eco-friendly gardener's best friend. Their roots naturally loosen and aerate compacted soil, making it healthier and more fertile for future crops. Plus, carrots grow well in small spaces, making them ideal for urban or suburban gardens. One of the best things about growing carrots is the variety. From traditional orange to vibrant purple and yellow, each color comes with its own set of health benefits. Orange carrots, for example, are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A to support eye health. Purple carrots, on the other hand, are packed with antioxidants. Carrots are also relatively easy to grow. They prefer loose, sandy soil and thrive in cooler weather. Once planted, they require minimal care, making them a perfect choice for beginners. And here's a tip: plant them alongside onions or leeks to deter pests naturally. By growing your own carrots, you reduce the need for transportation and packaging, which helps lower your carbon footprint. Plus, the satisfaction of pulling a fresh carrot straight from the earth is an experience every eco-friendly gardener should enjoy. Next, we have peas. These plants are a garden staple that deliver on sustainability, nutrition, and taste. These climbing plants require minimal space and grow quickly, making them a top choice for eco-friendly gardening. Plus, they naturally improve soil health by fixing nitrogen, an essential nutrient that benefits other plants in your garden. Peas are incredibly versatile, offering multiple options such as snap peas, snow peas, and garden peas. Each variety brings something unique to your meals, whether you're snacking, stir-frying, or making soups. Store-bought peas often lose flavor and nutrients quickly after harvest, but homegrown peas can be enjoyed at their peak freshness. From a sustainability standpoint, peas are a winner. They require less water compared to many crops and thrive in cooler temperatures, reducing the need for climate control. Peas also attract pollinators, which support the health of your entire garden ecosystem. Nutritionally, peas are a powerhouse. They're high in protein, fiber, and vitamins A, B, and C, making them a wholesome addition to your diet. To grow peas, all you need is a sunny spot and a trellis for support. With their rapid growth and minimal care requirements, peas are a delightful way to enjoy fresh, sustainable produce. Now let's talk about strawberries. They are a sweet, eco-friendly treat that every garden should include. These vibrant red berries grow well in small spaces, containers, or even hanging baskets, making them ideal for gardeners with limited room. They're also perennials, meaning they come back year after year, reducing the need for replanting and saving resources. Store-bought strawberries are often coated with pesticides and packaged in plastic, but growing your own eliminates these concerns. You can enjoy pesticide-free berries that taste fresher and sweeter than anything from the store. Plus, strawberries act as a ground cover, preventing soil erosion and conserving moisture. Strawberries aren't just delicious, they're packed with vitamin C and K, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients support immune health and digestion, making strawberries a guilt-free indulgence. For best results, choose ever-bearing varieties like Albion or Seascape for a steady harvest throughout the growing season. From smoothies to desserts, strawberries add a burst of flavor to countless dishes. And let's not forget the joy of picking a ripe berry straight from the plant. Adding strawberries to your garden isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a sustainable step toward greener living. Our next pick is spinach. This plant is a nutrient-dense green that's perfect for eco-conscious gardeners. Known for its fast growth and versatility, spinach thrives in cooler weather and can be grown in small spaces, making it an excellent choice for urban or suburban gardens. What makes spinach eco-friendly? For one, it's a low-maintenance crop that requires minimal water and fertilizer. Additionally, spinach can be harvested multiple times. Just pick the outer leaves and let the plant keep growing. This reduces waste and ensures a steady supply of fresh greens. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, calcium, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for bone health, immunity, and overall wellness. Store-bought spinach often comes pre-washed in plastic bags, but growing your own eliminates unnecessary packaging and transportation emissions. Spinach is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Use it in salads, stir-fries, smoothies, or even baked dishes like quiches and lasagna. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, spinach is an easy, rewarding crop that contributes to a greener, healthier lifestyle. Next, we have basil. This plant is more than just a flavorful herb. It's a gardening superstar for eco-friendly enthusiasts. This aromatic plant is a natural pest repellent, keeping insects like mosquitoes, aphids, and whiteflies away from your garden. Planting basil near crops like tomatoes or peppers creates a natural partnership that promotes healthy growth for both. Basil grows quickly and doesn't require much space, making it ideal for containers, windowsills, or garden beds. It's a forgiving plant that thrives in sunlight and well-drained soil, perfect for gardeners of all skill levels. Plus, by growing your own basil, you eliminate the need for store-bought herbs packaged in plastic. From a culinary perspective, basil is incredibly versatile. Use it to make fresh pesto, enhance pasta dishes, or add a fragrant touch to salads and drinks. Nutritionally, basil contains antioxidants, vitamins A and K, and compounds that support inflammation reduction and immunity. Harvesting basil is simple. Just pinch off leaves from the top to encourage bushy growth. With its many uses and benefits, basil is a small plant that makes a big impact on both your meals and your eco-friendly gardening goals. Last but not least, we have potatoes. These plants are a hardy, high-yield crop that's perfect for sustainable gardening. These underground tubers are easy to grow in a variety of conditions, including containers, raised beds, or even bags, making them accessible to gardeners with limited space. What makes potatoes eco-friendly? They require minimal inputs like water and fertilizers, especially if you choose resilient varieties like Yukon Gold or Russet. Potatoes also store well for months, reducing the need for frequent harvesting or transportation. By growing your own, you cut down on the energy used to ship and refrigerate store-bought potatoes. Potatoes are also highly nutritious, providing a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They're versatile in the kitchen, lending themselves to countless dishes, from roasted potatoes to mashed and beyond. For an eco-friendly boost, consider composting potato peels and using the nutrient-rich soil for your next crop. Planting potatoes is simple. Bury seed potatoes in soil, mound earth around the plants as they grow, and wait for the leaves to die back before harvesting. The result? A delicious, sustainable crop that's as satisfying to grow as it is to eat. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the 10 most popular edible plants for eco-friendly gardens. We hope you're feeling inspired to start or expand your sustainable garden with these incredible plants. Not only will they provide you with fresh, delicious food, but they'll also make a positive impact on the environment. That's a win-win, right? If you found value in this video, we'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more eco-conscious gardeners just like you. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might be looking for ways to make their lives a little greener. And hey, if today's list of edible plants inspired you, I've got even more to share. Check out Organic Gardening Tips for Beginners, 10 techniques for a thriving garden to learn how to take your eco-friendly gardening skills to the next level. Or if indoor gardening is your thing, watch Indoor Gardening, 10 fruits and veggies you can grow at home. Both are packed with easy, actionable advice. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more tips and guides coming your way. Before you go, be sure to visit my website greenlifezen.com for free resources, sustainable living hacks, and more inspiration to live green. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below with your favorite edible plants to grow or any eco-friendly tips you'd love to share. See you in the next video.